Did you know that already today you can pay with cryptocurrency for coffee or buy clothes with USDT? Today I will tell you how to pay with cryptocurrency not only online, but also in regular stores. We'll uncover the most convenient ways as well as show step by step instructions for setting up payment. And in the end, I will reveal the secret of how you can get cashback in cryptocurrency from regular purchases. So, where can you pay with cryptocurrency today? Let's start with online payments. More and more online stores accept Bitcoins, Ethereum, and even stablecoins like USDT. For example, on major platforms like Overstock and Newegg, you can buy electronics, clothing, or home goods by paying directly with cryptocurrency. And if you're planning a trip, you can use cryptocurrency too. Booking services like Travala allow you to pay for hotels, airline tickets, and even guided tours using cryptocurrencies. But what about the real world? More and more cafes, restaurants, and stores are connecting the possibility to pay with cryptocurrency via QR codes or special terminals. For example, in Switzerland, it is already possible to pay for a travel on public transport. And in El Salvador, where Bitcoin is recognized as an official means of payment, cryptocurrency can be used almost everywhere, from supermarkets to restaurants. In Miami and Lisbon, many cafes and stores support crypto payments through special apps. In Germany and Austria, you can even pay for goods in large retail chains. Moreover, there are appearing services that allow you to pay for utilities, rent, or even taxes with cryptocurrency. Payment gateways like BitPay make this possible by automatically converting cryptocurrency to fiat. And the best part is that none of this looks like something extravagant anymore. Cryptocurrency payments are gradually replacing the usual bank transfers and card payments. Who knows, maybe in a few years, cryptocurrency payments will become the main form of payment all over the world. And the sooner you start figuring it out, the easier it will be to adapt to the new conditions. Now that we know where you can already pay with cryptocurrency, let's see what ways you can do it. The simplest and most common way is a direct transfer of cryptocurrency. You just scan the QR code of the seller with your cryptocurrency wallet, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. This method is actively used in cafes, stores, and even in public transportation in Switzerland. It is convenient because it does not require intermediaries. The funds go directly from your wallet to the seller. Another convenient option is crypto cards. Such cards as Binance Card, Crypto.com Card, or cards from BitPay work on the principle of classic Visa or MasterCard debit cards. You can pay with them wherever bank cards are accepted. Cryptocurrency is automatically converted into fiat currency, which allows you to use crypto even in stores that do not accept it directly. If you're used to using mobile payment apps, cryptocurrency is no exception here either. For example, you can connect your cryptocurrency to Google Pay or Apple Pay and pay for purchases using your phone or watch. This is especially convenient for small everyday spending, for example, for coffee or travel on public transport. There are also special apps that support crypto payments directly, bypassing banking systems. For example, BitPay Wallet allows you to pay bills, pay for services, or even order gift cards from large stores like Amazon or Walmart. Each of these methods has its pros and cons. For example, a direct transfer can be convenient, but requires cryptocurrency support from the merchant. Crypto cards are versatile, but sometimes take conversion fees. Mobile apps are easy to use, but not accepted everywhere. Now let's get to the practice itself. How exactly to pay with cryptocurrency in real life. I have prepared a simple step-by-step instruction that will help everyone to set up crypto payments in just a few minutes. Let's look at the example of paying for coffee in a cafe using a cryptocurrency wallet and QR code. 1. Make sure you have a cryptocurrency wallet installed. For mobile payments, wallets such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Phantom are suitable. Fund your wallet balance with cryptocurrency in advance. 2. Tell the cashier at the checkout that you want to pay with cryptocurrency. The seller will offer you to scan a QR code. This code contains the wallet address of the store and the purchase amount. 3. Open the cryptocurrency wallet app. Select the option to send funds and scan the QR code. Make sure the data is displayed correctly. 4. Confirm the transaction. Enter the amount and send the payment. Depending on the network, the transaction may take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. 5. Wait for payment confirmation. Once the transaction is complete, a confirmation will appear on the merchant's wallet or terminal screen. You will receive a receipt or notification of successful payment. If you're using a crypto card, the process will be even easier. 1. Add your card to Google Pay or Apple Pay. 2. When you pay, simply hold your phone up to the terminal and the cryptocurrency is automatically converted to fiat. For online purchases, the situation is also simple. 1. On the store's website, select the cryptocurrency payment method. 2. The system will generate a wallet address or QR code to transfer funds. 3. Complete the transaction through the wallet or exchange. As you can see, the cryptocurrency payment process is no more complicated than using a regular bank card. The main thing is to choose the right payment method and make sure that the seller supports crypto payments. Now that we know how to pay for purchases with cryptocurrency, let's find out what its real advantages are and what pitfalls can be expected in such payments. Let's start with the positive sides. Imagine the situation. You actively invest in cryptocurrency, keep part of your funds in Bitcoins or USDT, and every time when you need to pay for something, you have to withdraw funds to a bank card. With crypto payments, it's much simpler. If you have a crypto card, you can pay for everyday purchases directly by converting the cryptocurrency at the time of payment. It's not only convenient, but also saves you time and money. But crypto payments are not only good for everyday expenses. Cryptocurrency makes it possible to make large trades that previously required either cash or bank transfers with lengthy verification. For example, in the US, you can already buy a house with Bitcoins, and in some car dealerships in Europe, you can buy a car by paying with cryptocurrency. This is especially relevant for those who prefer to store capital in cryptocurrency and minimize interaction with banks. Moreover, cryptocurrency transactions are often chosen for their anonymity and security. Unlike bank cards, when you pay with cryptocurrency, you do not give your personal data to the seller. But despite all the advantages, crypto payments also have their disadvantages. For example, the volatility of the exchange rate. Imagine that you bought coffee for Bitcoins, and an hour later the cryptocurrency exchange rate changed dramatically. You could save money or, on the contrary, lose on it. This is especially dangerous for purchases with delayed delivery or subscriptions for a long period. Another aspect is the risk of transfer errors. In traditional banking systems, if you accidentally send money to the wrong account, you have a chance to cancel the transaction or contact support. In cryptocurrency, everything is different. One mistake in the address and your funds may be lost forever. That's why it is important to carefully double-check your data every time you make a payment, especially when it comes to large sums. Now let's move on to the most interesting thing. How can you get cash back from cryptocurrency payments? The first and perhaps the most convenient way is to use crypto cards. For example, Crypto.com card offers up to 5% cashback in CRO cryptocurrency, and Binance card returns part of the funds in the form of BNB. But crypto cards aren't the only option. There are special cashback services that work with cryptocurrency. For example, Stormex allows you to get cashback on purchases from partners such as Nike, eBay, and AliExpress. All you need to do is install a browser extension or use the mobile app. You buy goods as usual, and part of what you spend is returned in cryptocurrency. In addition to cashback, you can also earn passive income if you are a SOL holder. Instead of just keeping coins in your wallet, you can delegate them to a validator and earn a steady income in the form of interest. This is called staking. When your coins work for you, generating income while you're doing your own thing. Our company Robobo is a validator on the Solana network, and we offer a simple and safe way to make money from staking. By delegating your SOLs to our validator, you can earn up to 11% annual interest. You will find all the necessary links to Robobo Validator in the description. Now you know exactly how easy it is to pay for your purchases with cryptocurrency. Admit that it's really easy, almost as easy as using a bank card or cash. If you want to make your finances more flexible, reduce fees, and take advantage of all the benefits of digital assets, it's time to try cryptocurrency payment in practice. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share your experience of using cryptocurrency for shopping in the comments.